Wind power. Wind, although it might not need explaining, is moving air caused by differences in atmospheric pressure. Wind speeds vary based on geography, topography, and season. Because of this, like other renewables, there are some locations better suited for wind energy generation than others. In fact, there are optimal wind locations both onshore and offshore. Energy is derived from wind by converting the air's motion into mechanical energy. Traditionally, this energy was used for milling grain and pumping water, but today is most commonly used to create electricity. The mechanism used to convert air motion into electricity is referred to as a turbine. A turbine is a large structure with several spinning blades, usually 3. These blades are connected to an electromagnetic generator that generates electricity when the wind causes the blades to spin. Wind is becoming an increasingly important part of the global electricity supply mix. A major advantage of wind is that the production of electricity has no direct CO2 emissions. But wind generation is not without its challenges. As everyone knows, the wind does not blow all the time, causing intermittency issues for power grids. The price tag of wind power has traditionally been higher than conventional electricity generation sources, though the wind cost curve has declined significantly in recent years. NIMBY concerns such as land use, noise, and bird disruption have also been raised in certain areas. That's wind power.